Hey guys, so I'm in the Canton Fair. So now you can see my badge is 137. Now we're in the phase 1, now the 3rd days. So I came here, so follow my videos and see what kind of Jack can bring you to see what kind of product we can see in this fair and whether you have anything interested. So follow my video and let's check around in the phase 1 and the A, B, C, D hall. Okay, let's go. So guys, so remember, so every time if you come to the fair, so this is the attention. So you go check the info, the table, and get a menu. So this is the guidebook, so you can see everything, what kind of items here in different halls. So it's easy for you to guide you in the fair. So this is very simple and very important and very easy. All right, so let's go. So nice to meet you. So it's a 3rd day in the Canton Fair, and we see your brand and your products is really fancy. So I want to know your feeling. Like it's the 3rd day already. So which countries the customer is coming more in this fair?
So there are lots of clients coming to visit our booth, and they are coming from the Middle East, and they are coming from the Latin America.
Okay. So second question gonna be though, can you tell us more about your company and the factory? Because in front of the video, many customers, maybe they're interested in your products. So can you tell us like, what kind of customer can come to work with your factory?
Okay. Our factory, we are manufacturing the professional tools. So we are looking for the distributor and the wholesaler.
Okay, so good. So wholesaler and distributor mainly.
Yes.
And so if I'm the new customer, want to work with your factory, and what is the MOQ?
It is around 500 pieces per model.
Okay, so 500 pieces per model.
Yes.
Okay, so if you are looking for the professional, hardware and the tools, and I think you can take this company, or you can try to get samples for testing if you are looking for the professional factory manufacture this kind of products.